Not expect this. I told Yang how I wanted my hair, but she brought out my true dreams of how I wanted my hair because I was a bit hesitant, and all I can say is I'm beyond speechless. I'm still in shock. I can't get over how I got this in one go, one appointment, and it feels amazing, just like the way I'm feeling right now. Go to Hair by Yang. That's my advice for someone who barely knows anything about hair besides just washing your hair. I learned so much with her through my consultation before I could even get to my hair, and if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't have known anything, and my hair probably wouldn't be this great if I just wanted the look of the typical hairstyle that I wanted. But little did I know there was so much more to it than just a picture of a hair color. Completely amazing and a brand new person. I feel like a billionaire. By the way, it's go big or go home.